Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve LeetCode question number 2235, which is called added to integer. This is very simple problem, but a great way to understand basic function implementation in C++. The problem says you are given two integer number 1 and number 2. Your task is to return their sum. It is simple, just implement a function that adds two number and returns the result. Let's take an example. Input number 1 is 12, number 2 is 5, output is 17. Explanation 2 plus 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Simple approaches. This is a straightforward problem. We just use the addition operator in C++ to add the two number and return the result. There are no need for loops or extra data structure, so we write the simple codes as return number 1 plus number 2, as you can see. So this is the output, and our code is successfully uh, run, and that's it. We just solved the late code question number 2235 and two integer using a simplest function using C++. Thank you.